Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. I'm Jonathan from a vegan permaculture world, and today it's a bonus video. Yes, today I'm sharing with you my recipe of the most amazing, the tastiest and easiest vegan chocolate cake ever. And if you have watched my previous video on the 5 homemade fertilizers, you might already had a glimpse of this piece of heaven. Hey bro, what happened to your beard? Well, man, it's not the theme of this video, so could you please... Ouch. Oh, sorry. Well, you look cool and I might consider trimming mine sometime, so do you have any tips? Okay, hey, guess what? Here's a reusable razor. I give it to you, please. Go play away. Hey, thank you. Well, I'm supposed to talk about how to adopt simple yet sustainable habits in my coming video, but this jerk... Hey! Okay, this guy spoiled everything. Anyway, are you guys ready for the best and amazing vegan chocolate cake ever? Let's go!
200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda.
Don't. Please. Don't.
Okay guys, pause the video if you want to take notes of the ingredients, and I will be writing them down in the description as well. First, we'll be mixing all the dry ingredients. Mix the flour, cocoa powder, sugar and bicarbonate soda. When all the dry ingredients are well mixed, you can then add the wet ingredients. Add the oil and the water and mix till everything binds up together nicely. Okay, now it's time to add the apple cider vinegar, and you can replace it with lemon juice and combine with the bicarbonate soda. It will create a reaction that will make your cake rise. Here I'm using a silicone mold, but if you're using a metal one, make sure to grease and flour it first before pouring up your mixture. Oh, and hey, while editing the clip I accidentally reversed the scene and I decided to keep it. I really like this weird effect, and it really looks like a piece of cloth being unfolded. Okay, this is absolutely optional. I decided to add some pieces of chocolate to make it more, well, sexy. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 5 minutes and let it bake for 30 more. During this time, I was planning to do some gardening, but the weather decided differently. So hey, let me introduce you to my foster dogs. Here's Leon, Bonnie and Betty. And my rescued cats, Hermione and Panda.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments how you found it, if you ever tried it out. And please tell him that he's not welcome in the coming video, please.
I can hear you.
And don't forget to like and to subscribe to support this channel. Guys, I wish you all a peaceful day. Peace. Yes.